Hello, how much do swing traders make a week? We are going to take the week of 47, and in our case we made $855.48, and November is the week between November 18 to the 22nd. So we are going to go through our swing trading weekly review, and let's start with the daily. Return. Okay, I think it's a little bit small. Okay, so we have November month going, and let's go to the week of 18 to, in fact I should add the week at the top, but the week of November 18 to November 22nd. So on Monday we made $63. On Tuesday we made $194. On Wednesday we didn't make anything. On Thursday we made $373 in profit. On Friday we made $225.26. So if we total all three, is $855.48. So from the daily profit we'll go to the weekly profit, and that is the week of 47 for the year. So that's $855.48. And as for month to date, that is $3,123.61. And we do have a lot of stocks that we purchased that we have not sold yet. The one that we have not sold yet, we tend to have a committed column that we will put them in. We can take a look at our committed. To see stocks that there is a stocks we purchased in the week 8 we have not sold. There is a stock we purchased in the week of 13 we have not sold yet. There is a stock in week 26, 28, week 30 we have not sold them yet. So just tell us stocks that we have in our portfolio and the week we purchased them that we have not sold them yet, just by adding that amount in a column, and when we sell it we remove that amount out of there, and from this column we should be able to pull those stocks that we purchase by week, by the number of the week. So this one is, no, we sold that one. This one is the one we have not sold, the week 28. This is one of the week 28 one, but it will be tracking it based on the week, and that is the formula there. But when you enter the day you purchase it, the week will show up automatically there. But yes, so we still have stocks in the portfolio that we have not sold yet, and if But if you are wondering how much it took, how much capital it took to make $845 that week, it's kind of hard to determine that. But the account has, let's see if you can see the balance at the bottom. We say about 996,000. And we can just go up and freeze the top. So to make that 826, it took quite a bit of money. Now we didn't trade 996,000, but you know, usually we have about 40K in the account that we can trade with on a daily basis or so, because we buy things. If they go negative, we just leave them alone until they become profitable and reach our minimum profit targets of $25, and we sell it. But until then, we just leave them be. I don't like to sell stock at a loss. I sold some stock at a loss, some by mistake, some my husband did intentionally, but usually we just leave them be in the stocks in the portfolio. For that reason, I try to pick stock carefully for our watch list to swing trade. And there are some stocks we purchased before 2024 for dividend income purposes, so they are in the account until they become profitable before we sell them, and in the meantime they'll pay us some dividend. But yeah, so but you can see that we have, what is the cost here? There is, out of that 196, 171,000 is committed. They are sitting in stock. Some of them are dividend stock purchased for dividend income purposes, and some of them are stocks we purchase for trading, for swing trading purposes. So for swing trading stocks, we have WM that right now we have unrealized loss of $9 there. There is URI that has $32 profit. At the time I was selling on Friday, I believe the profit there was like $22, so I didn't sell it, but by the end of the day it went to 32. So Visa, we have a unrealized loss there. We have T-Mobile that has some profit but not high enough. TJS has some profit there as well, and CSWK has a loss there. But yeah, we just let them be until they become profitable, whether it's dividend stock purchase for dividend income purposes or stocks we purchase for swing trading. So yeah, that 896, I can't really pinpoint how much cash we use for those trades, because again, when some are positive here, we sell them and then we buy more and so forth. But you know, is now the full capital that is spent at any time frame. But then when we buy it, it's negative, we just leave it there. So as a swing trader, you'll have a lot of cash available in the account because you are holding for a short period of time and you are selling it for profit. But I'm just going to use the value of the account, that one, that at the end of the week we have this 196,727. We are going to take that amount and then we'll go to our investment spreadsheet. And I will have to find a spot for it, but for now I think I'm going to do that on this one here. I'm just going to put it there as the value of the account. So that amount, we are going to put the profit we made for that week. Week 47 profits, and we'll go get that as well and bring it here. So the return for that week, the return rate, the rate of return is going to be the 845 divided by that 196 times 100, so that we can see the percentage. And is it true? Is it that high? I was hoping it would be very, very low. Hold on, am I doing something wrong here? Let's okay, let's take this 100 out of here. Okay, and let's go and put that. Okay, okay, so it's 0.43%. so that's I will think it will be very low because for 196,000. but why it was different before is kind of weird, because this one divided by this times 100 will be 0.43. yes, not 43 but 0.43. so, and that is 0.43% for 1 week return. So if we wanted to do year-to-date return, we will go and get, or maybe the monthly return, month to date return. We can go and get the monthly return, and let's paste value. Hold on, let's paste value here. I think the way I'm going to do it is equal this, oh no, not there, so equal this one divided by the value of the account at the end of the week, the percentage, and then we'll do the same thing for this one. We'll take as of to now divided by the account, and we will do the percentage and have some decimal point. So when we take the monthly return, divided by the value of the account is giving us 1.59%. So, and you can continue that and do the yearly return as well. And if you do not mind, we can do that. That means we need to go get how much is the yearly return. Let me see, we can find it here. Year to date. And we can add it. So that will be taking that divided by the value of the account, and that we can, oh no, we can do that and add the decimal point, and that's 8.97 or 8.98% for the year. But again, it might seem low to you, but in dollar amount, that is a lot of money to make outside of your job as part-time, spending about 2 hours a day swing trading. So if you want to swing trade, I will say it's good to learn a strategy and start doing it small. Is when you have a job, whether you like your job or not, it's good to have different streams of income. If you do not have it, if you are somebody that does not focus on multiple things at the same time, with a job, you might find a way to invest in stocks or trade stocks. And swing trading is somewhat active but passive at the same time, and you'll be able to do that within 2 hours. It's not that you can, it's just that if you have a job, you do not have a choice. You need to have another stream of income, and one stream of income as an employee is to have an investment account to invest in stocks or trade stocks. When I say trade, I'm not talking about day trading, but there are different ways to trade stocks. Even if you invest in dividend stocks or stocks, growth stocks, you buy at a certain point, and when they go up, you have a certain amount of profit, you can sell it for profit. For instance, we bought AT&T for dividend purposes. And we have it for a while now in the account. And we have a profit there, and we could easily sell it and lock in that profit. The dividend return is 4%. So for the longest time it has been negative, and this month it started going up and became positive, and we have about $100,000 there, close to $100,000 profit there. So, and it is very passive. During your weekend, you find your stocks, you place the order and you set the price. When it reaches that price, it will buy it for you, and you can set the price. When it reaches the price, it will sell it for you. You can find a strategy that works for you. You can start small and go from there. But this is just our weekly swing trading review to see how we did during the week, and pretty much brainstorm on it. So there are some day of the week that we sold quite a bit, the day Thursday and Friday, and some day of the week that we didn't sell at all, we barely purchased, and some day that we only sold, and some days that we sold and we purchased as well. So you just don't know, is out of your control. You just do your stock analysis, and the day of the trade you just check your stocks again, do the chart analysis to see what still meet your criteria to buy, and look through your account to see what is profitable for you to sell. Set a minimum profit target that when you reach that profit, you just sell it and lock in the small profit to use that cash again and reinvest. And for us, we do not set a stop loss. If it's negative, we just leave it in the account B until it becomes profitable and we sell it. There are instances that we sold it at a loss by mistake or intentionally, but usually we do not sell it at a loss. And we have $2,000 per trade amount set, and we buy it. You know, it's not a set fix, it's keep growing over time depending on the price. Since the price keep growing and we buy the same number of stocks for each one of those stocks, when we are trading, we are purchasing them, so the price going up, the capital we allocated will continue growing up for them. And we set $25 per trade minimum profit. When it reach that, we just sell it and lock in the profit. Or we have 3 solid green bar days that if it reach that, we sell it as well. So which one it makes first, you know, we just go with it. You can see here that I purchased it and I sold it the day after. But here I purchased it and then it pulled back, and I just let it be in the account negative until it reached a high here that I made a profit and I sold it. So, but yeah, it's just small profits, but over time they add up. It might be 0.43% return, but it's still money. 0.43% is 800 for the week. That's 800. I didn't have to work 48 hours a day for I didn't have to work 8 hours a day for, or 40 hours a week for to earn. Thank you. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments. And we thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Cross of Liberman Consulting LLC YouTube channel, and in asub.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways you can save money and different ways you can make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. For more of our swing trading content or videos, will you please check the playlist in the description titled Swing Trading. We'll have it at the end of the video on the screen as well. Thank you.